Alright, hello everyone, Ivan right here, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make rabbit food taste good, and there are actually three ways, but today I'm just going to be showing you one way first. Three ways, but it's just actually just three different kind of dressings. And then today this dressing that we have here is what I have almost every single time, which is a Greek yogurt dressing, and it's really easy to make, and this kind of like a large bowl of salads is what I eat usually when I am prepping for a competition, and when calories are like super duper low. So this kind of like vegetables, it can help you to fill your stomach up, and then you wouldn't be eating any other stuff later on in the day, so you can restrict your calorie. All right, and but for girls, you might need to kind of eat this kind of large bowl of salads almost like every single day because your calories are lower. But this will be another topic for another day, and I'll get into it later on. And so for right now, let's get right into the recipe video. Okay. For the recipes today, we have here is some lettuce, just one whole head of lettuce, which is what I usually use, and then cucumber, and then a tomato, and then some of this low-fat Greek yogurt, and then 5 packets of the artificial sweetener. And you can pretty much use any kind of low-calorie dressing. But this is what I usually use. If calories are even lower, you don't have to use this. You can actually use this Hungry Jack sugar-free syrup, which actually makes the calorie even lower if you're going on a really hard diet. And also you can also there's actually one more way of making your salad taste good. You can add one of this. You can add some of this Nando's peri peri sauce, which my sister always add it into her salad in order to make the salad taste better. So as long as the dressing that you're using is very low in calorie, and that would be the trick to make your salad not only tasty but also healthier. Okay, so this is what I usually do. I'll just add the yogurt around like 1, 2, 3, 4. And this amount of yogurt. Because right now I'm not dieting, so I don't usually weigh my food. I only weigh certain food which are really dense in calories, but most of the time if the food is really low in calorie, I don't weigh it because there's actually no need to do it. And then so the yogurt also provides some protein, so I don't really need to add meat inside. But if you guys do find that you want to add more taste into the salad, then you can add some ham slices into the salad as well. It really does depend on you. You can be creative as you want. Really have not much rules. But this is just one of the way that I do it every single time. And let me take a fork. Okay, and then you just mix everything up. Okay, every bits of the veggie, get the Greek yogurt. Okay, so we are done here, and I'm gonna take a thumbnail and then move on to the second recipe. Okay, I see. Okay, so right now recipe number 2, and this time we'll be using this thing. This Hungry Jack sugar-free syrup, and it's only 10 calories per 2 tablespoons. And then so the vegetables will be the same: lettuce, tomatoes, and then some cucumber. And then I'll be adding some ham slices, and then I'll be pouring this, just drizzle this on top of the salad. And then that would be for second recipe on how to make rabbit food taste good. Okay, so let's get right into the recipe. Okay, ham slices. And final step. Okay, and then I'm gonna be taking thumbnail. Okay, now so time to eat. So taste is like really important for like all this kind of like healthy recipes. If your food don't taste good, you will actually not eat it. So make sure that it has a lot of good taste, but also make sure that it's lower in calories as well. Okay, so give it a try, and let's move on to recipe number 3. Then around like, so I prepped some chicken breast right here. Then I'll be cutting around like 3 to 4 of these chicken breasts. Okay. Then the peri peri sauce. Then I'll just drizzle the peri peri sauce on the salad. Honestly, you can be as creative as you want. You can put anything as you want. And that's it. Finished. Okay, so if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Same thing, comment, and then subscribe. And for online coaching, do email me at ivanleongfitness@gmail.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Gorilla karma gonna get you. Woo! Fuck it up. I'ma pop off on some bullshit, feed out the brandy cups. So sip it Henny, it's gonna be handy. Hope you're feeling real dandy in this motherfucker. Let's go. A lot of green, but not a lot of fucking trees. A lot of fleas skiing.